Top 5 American hot dog flight.
Yeah.
So first things first, we're gonna start with the Carolina dog because that's what we grew up eating. Yellow mustard.
Yeah, you placed that perfectly on there.
Yeah, started it out real great, guys. All meat hot dog, chili, no beans in this thing.
I really don't know that I'm gonna want to be around you after you eat all these.
I wouldn't want to be around me either. Little diced onion. Now to top it all off with some homemade coleslaw. And you already know that coleslaw is made with that Dukes. It's that Carolina dog. Now we're gonna move on to the Detroit dog. Make sure y'all stick around to the end because we got 3 other ones and the last one is strange. We got some meatless chili.
Beanless, not meatless.
Some diced onions and some of that mustard. Zigzag action. Look, it actually worked that time.
Oh wow, professional hot dog maker.
Thank you. All right, guys, here's that Detroit dog. She's looking good. Now we're gonna move on to the New York dog. I want to go to New York so bad and try like a street hot dog. That is something that is on my bucket list in life. Anybody want to invite me? So first things first, we got some sauerkraut. Now we got some onion sauce. Now I could not find this anywhere. So Allison had to look up a recipe and we made it at home. It smells really good though. I've yet to try it.
Never gonna be able to eat hot dogs the same again.
Oh, this might ruin me. I'm telling you right now. You know what? I remember whenever Sonic had like the American hot dog thing.
I forgot
You know what I'm
about
talking about?
that. Yes.
That was so good. That's my like only experience with some of these hot dogs. Last but not least, we got some spicy brown mustard. I said that like so formal. Mustard. Okay. All right. I tried. Here's that New York dog. I like it. I like it a lot. Now we're making the Chicago dog. Now you got to bust this thing wide open for that. There's a lot of toppings that go on this thing. We're going to start with a pickle spear. We got 2 tomato wedges, some diced onion. Now we got some sweet relish. I could not find the like super bright green relish. I have no idea where you guys get that. It is beyond me. So now is when you add the sport peppers. Looked into it, could not find them anywhere. But it says you can substitute with pepperoncinis. Those I can find. More mustard and a dash of celery salt. Here's that Chicago dog. Now for the final one, and I have never heard of this thing in my entire life. It is called a Sonoran. It's a bacon wrapped wiener, which we already did. We air fried it. Then the wiener turned into nothing, so then I had to use a different wiener.
All this wiener talk.
A lot of wieners. Pinto beans. Beans, baby.
I do kind of wonder, like, who came up with these originally to make it like the staple hot dog?
I'm sure that there is a museum somewhere, the Natural History Museum of Hot Dogs. So it says chopped tomatoes and onions and cilantro, but we just got some pico. Jalapeno salsa, some yellow mustard. Now it's official. Everything is used mustard. Last but not least, we got some mayo mixed with some lime juice. All right, guys, here's that Sonoran. So first up, we got the Carolina dog. It's slaw, onion, mustard, and chili. A classic in my household. My mouth is just watering everywhere. Big boy bite. It hits so hard every time. It's a solid 7 out of 10. Now we got the Detroit dog. Chili, mustard, and onion. Now me personally, this is how I eat my hot dog, so I know I'm gonna love this. Big boy bite. I know I got mustard on my face.
What else is the mustache there for?
Exactly. Gives me my leftovers.
Ew! That's so nasty.
Chicago's got it figured out, man. That is fantastic. That is a solid 9 for me. Now we're getting into murky territory. The rest of these I have never tried in my entire life. Now we got the New York dog. It's sauerkraut, onion sauce, and spicy brown mustard. Now Allison did make the onion sauce from scratch because we cannot find that stuff here. Like I said in part 1, I want to go to New York and try the hot dog. People what?
Golly.
Oh, that's different. But like in a really good way. To be completely honest, everything's got a really intense flavor. I mean, it's just a flavor bomb going on in my mouth right now. This is really good. I wasn't gonna do this, but I'm going with 0.5. This is a 9.5.
Whoa, I didn't expect that.
This is a 9.5. I could barely get my mouth around this New York dog. Now, I don't even know how I'm supposed to get this Chicago dog.
Oh, no.
So it's got a lot of stuff. It's got pickle, tomato, peppers. And like I said in part 1, we could not find the super green relish. I have no idea where you guys get that stuff. People, what? Oh, how do you guys eat this? It's like a salad hot dog. I would probably really like this if it didn't have that sweet relish. I am not a fan. I don't like sweet relish at all. But overall combined, it just doesn't work for me. I'm gonna give it don't hate me, a 5.
I mean, that score could have been a lot lower.
You want me to make it lower?
No.
So 3! Now for the one that I was the most excited to try and the strangest. It's the Sonoran. So it's got pinto beans, diced tomatoes and onions, mayonnaise, mustard, and a jalapeno salsa. This one probably just looks the best.
Yeah, it does
think.
look good.
Yeah, for my palate, like this looks fantastic. B-boy bite. Oh yeah, it's wrapped in bacon.
Oh, I forgot it was wrapped in bacon. Bite number 2, what?
That thing's good. This thing changed the game. This thing is quality. I didn't say I was going to do this either.
Either.
Either. That's an 11 out of 10.
No!
Oh yeah, that's the Big Papa right there. That thing is good. Overall, I pretty much liked all these. Let us know how you like your hot dogs, and if you have any suggestions on other flights we should make, put it down in the comments.